Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Zodi Styles. My name is Izodua. I film about lifestyle, faith, family, beauty, and one of my lifestyle is to cook. So I'm going to be showing you how I cook my seafood okra. And if you're just joining me for the first time, you're welcome. And for my regular subscribers, thank you guys for coming back. God bless you all. God bless you all. Thank you so much. So I'm cutting up my okra right now. I'm dicing it. Some people slice it, but I'm going to be slicing my okra. I already did some. One just fell now. Of course, I picked it up, washed it, and continued my business. So I'm dicing it up right now. I like my okra to be diced up fine. Normally when I'm cooking my regular okra, like I use my blender. I use my blender to blend it all together. I don't have a grater. I don't need one. I don't think I need one. So because it's seafood okra, I'm cutting it up like this. So because I like my okra to be kind of fine or smaller, I'm dicing it up more. I'm just cutting everything up together right now. So that's what I am doing on my chopping board. So I take my time to do this because I really like my okra to be fine. So I'm making my okra like this because it's seafood okra. I want my okra to float in the soup. So that's why I'm doing it like this. So I'm showing you this first so you can see how I make my own seafood okra. So that's it. I'm going to be showing you all my ingredients right now. So I have my seafood, my okra already. I have my locust beans, I have my crab, I have shrimp, and I have periwinkle in one plate. I have my smoked turkey, I have my deboned fish, and over there I have my crayfish, and right there I have my pepper and my Knorr cubes, 3 Knorr cubes. So I forgot to show you my onions. I already diced my onions. So I'm going to be showing you later. Right now, I have 2 cups of water in the pot. I'm going to let it boil before I put in all my other stuff. Okay, so right now I'm going to be showing you the onions that are diced already. I'm not putting too much onions. This is just enough. That's what I'm doing right now. So I forgot to press the record button. I already put my pepper, my Knorr cubes, 3 of them. I put tiny bit of salt in there. I put my onions and I put my crab already in the pot. I like to put my crayfish too. Right now I'm putting my yellow periwinkle in there, and I'm also going to be putting my jumbo shrimp in there right now. What is seafood okra without all this? So I put them all together right now from the beginning so that the flavor of everything can go in, and then the amount of salt I'm going to use will be determined by this. So right now I'm also putting my smoked turkey. Yes. So when everything's from get it done from the beginning, the flavor is going to go into the water, and it will determine the amount of salt you'll be putting in your soup. That's what I do, So right now I'm just stirring everything up together, and I'm going to cover them up so it can cook. So the shrimp is cooked to my liking. I like the way it is right now. It's not overcooked. Now I'm going to be putting my okra. My okra goes in right now. It's faster this way too when you do it from the beginning, when you put everything from the beginning. It's really fast. So, and it's because it's okra, I'm not going to be, leaving the soup on the fire for too long. Because it's okra, you want the freshness, you want the nutrients to be there. So I'm not putting it for too long in the pot at all. So right now it's done to my liking. It's still green. The green is still there, and I'm going to be putting more okra because the okra was not enough to me. I want a whole week soup because I'm a busy person, and this is a whole week soup right here. It's just 4 of us are eat this, 2 little kids, and of course daddy and mommy. So it's going to be enough for 1 week, and we already have another soup in the fridge, so we can interchange, right? Okay, so I'm stirring it up together. See, the slimy texture is already coming through. I tasted it just now, and the salt was not enough the way I want it to be. So I'm going to be putting a little bit more salt in there, half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon, because you know it's seafood. Seafood already contains salt on its own from the sea, right? So yeah, so I'm putting a half teaspoon. That's what I'm doing, measuring it up and just putting them up. I'm showing you everything. That's what I just did, and that was just enough. Some people will add more salt to more than that to it to taste the salty taste. We're watching salt here, so we have to be careful with salt. So stirring everything up together so it can just go round. Right, the slimy texture is already there. I love it already. The aroma of this soup filled everywhere. Now I'm going to be putting my palm oil right now. Some people don't put palm oil in their okra. It's fine. It's healthy that way, and a little bit of palm oil will not kill you. It's good. It's actually healthy. One of the best oil out there. So I put a little bit of my palm oil in the soup. I have to have palm oil in my okra. I've done the one without palm oil before, and it wasn't too appealing to me. So yes, I'm putting my palm oil in there a little bit and stirring it up together. And I'm also going to be leaving it to simmer down for the palm oil to cook in there and just fill up the whole soup. Look at my crab. It's already done. How do you know your crab is done? When your crab turns orange, then you know it's done. So I'm going to be showing you the crab pretty soon. See my shrimp? Well cooked, not too cooked, not too done. So it's already cooked, and now I'm ready to serve. Pretty much ready. So serving my husband right now. He just got back from work. I have to serve it real quick, and that's what I'm doing right now. So we are minimalists right here, and we're trying to watch our weight so we don't eat so much meat like before anymore. So as you can see, I'm putting more of like the seafood in there. Yes, and less of the meat. That's why I didn't put a lot of meat in there. So yep, more okra. Yes, I'm just showing you. And now one of the best swallow for okra, seafood okra, is eba. So I made eba. You see how little it is? It's little enough now, right? Yes, and ready to serve. Right now I'm eating my food. I'm enjoying my okra. It's so yummy. Oh my god. Yeah, I'm showing you that it's so yummy. I'm so missing. Sorry. At this point, if you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? I don't know. Please subscribe, share, and like. I'm watching the Maome right now. As a matter of fact, I'm watching the Maome. She was showing us our Fashion Nova outfits. I watch something when I eat. It just goes together. It goes well together. So please subscribe, like, share, comment. If you want to see more cooking videos, yes, go ahead and comment. I want more cooking videos, or we want more cooking videos. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. And until next time, I'll see you. Bye-bye.